Hello everyone, this is Jim from the Auto Finance. Welcome back to our channel. We are with you on 17th of December afternoon analysis, and then we are closing the week with this video. Alright, as classic on close video, we will just check dollar index, gold, and WTI crude oil prices. Just before that, I will just mention some about the markets. So in the market, there is less volatility because everybody was just expecting what happens right now. Omicron is just just makes some records in some countries like in UK. And France has joined that one. They see really high numbers of new cases. Denmark and these countries are seeing the worst numbers in their daily cases in Europe, especially. So they just want to close the economy, but it's already fragile. ECB just said that, all right, we see risk, but we have to keep going on recovery. These kind of things are just making complicated. That's why we see sudden jumps and hikes and falls in the market. In dollar index, let's go ahead with dollar index on our chart. In dollar index, as you can see, it has tested low levels, but then slowly it is just going up and up because US market, as we get closer to January, February, and March, probably at the end of March, tapering will just finish, and then we will see a first rate hike at the end of March. So everybody is just thinking that, all right, time is getting limited for these kind of moves. So we see Nasdaq sell-off, S&P sell-off, and Biden administration just warned that, all right, there is 30% of unvaccinated people and a lot of people who didn't get boosters. This Omicron is not so big risk in US, but it's spreading so fast. We have to take the measures. After this, everything is just falling down, and S&P right now it's more than one or around 1%, and then probably in coming months it will reach to more than 1% drop. We will see these kind of things in the market. All right, yeah, dollar index, as you can see here, it's just going up, and we will see probably test this level, and after this level, which is 96.22, and from this point we will see higher levels in dollar index. All right, this was dollar index. Let's go ahead with gold prices.
You are ready to win with us. GAN Markets.
All right, as 10-year bonds, US 10-year bonds is just declining. Everybody is just dumping up that bonds. We see that gold is rising. Let me just show you this one. After from here, from this level, 1754, from this support level right now, it has reached to $18.8. So this is more than $50 rise, and it is just in 2 days. As you can see, you see the previous trading days, and then this jump. And generally, when this happens, we see a big sell-off, just profit realization. So this point is a good point to sell the golds, and if the cases in the risk doesn't go bigger and bigger, so it's a good place to make profit. RSI as well is confirming the sell-off situation, and also just look at it, big one, and smaller. This one almost no volatility and almost no volume, and this one as well, almost no volume. So market has reached a plateau. From this point you can just sell, and at least $10-15 correction is on the way. And 800 levels, 1800 levels, this area is critical. If we just see below this area, if we just see drop down this area, we will see sharp decline, but it may recover from this point as well. All right, let's close the video with US oil. US oil is just holding up because these variant related risk is just getting bigger and bigger, but the countries are just trying to avoid lockdowns. They are just making some restrictions with COVID pass things, and then vaccination passport and other things. But if the inevitable lockdowns get in place, we will see sharp decline. I'm saying that this area is being tested. You see the same point, 73 area, just 73. When it reached 73, it is just getting another sell-off until to 69, 69.40, these levels. When it reaches here, then another tight channel. But as always, we have seen this scenario on here. If the price cannot go up, so it will just go down. So the last, as you can see here, from the beginning of these the first week of December, on the last 10 days, the price is just stuck in a tight channel. So we may see another decline from this point if it doesn't go higher. But in current situation, I don't see that going higher is a possible scenario, because US shale drillers are just increasing their productivity, and each week we see a higher level of well numbers, rig numbers. That's why the production side is just going higher, and probably we will see, and today as well, US starting to use their national reserves to curb gasoline prices, because if they can manage to keep prices at 65, 64 levels around here, then we will see decline in gasoline prices. And if gasoline prices drops, then we will see decline in a lot of things, transportation, and then goods, services, everything will be cheaper. And then in inflation, we will see slowdown. That's what Biden administration is desiring. That's why the only way to curb inflation is lower energy prices. That's why they are doing whatever needed. And so the whole economy is just trying to take action against US oil. We will see. Thank you so much for watching us. We will be together on more news, and have a nice and profitable days. Have a nice weekend. Bye.